What's going on, guys? I forgot to do my intro, so this is my homemade intro. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're catching and cooking fish.
So you drop it right in. Got one. That's a nice one. There we go. Ooh, he's swimming right towards me. What the? A chum.
Wrong.
Or I think it's chub. Yes! A chub. Got a creek chub right off of that. That's a big one. It's a big old chub. Thought that was a brook trout. There it is, guys. A nice chub. Let's get a release. There he goes, right away. Oh, here he comes. He's got it. He's got it. This one. I think he's got it. Oh, he got it again. There we go. Got him on. This is a nice brookie. We're keeping this way. This guy's gonna be delicious.
Yummy.
Look at that. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Okay, now that we've got him unhooked, we're gonna bonk him on the back of his head. Hard. You need to do it hard. Now the next thing I like to do is I like to cut his gills right down. Make sure you slice them. And now he will start to bleed, so your meat won't get ruined. And you can work your fingers up along his belly, and that will push some more blood out. And I'm gonna do that in the water. Okay, now that you've got your stringer, you're gonna put it through the back of his gill, through his mouth, and pull it till you get to the end of it. Now that you have this ring thing, you're gonna stick your stringer through that and let that slide down to the bottom, and your fish is secured, and you can leave him in the water and he'll get nice and cold until you're ready to eat.
Nice.
Let's see. Will anything bite on this? Ooh, got one. Got a tiny one. Please don't tell me my worm is gone. This dumb chub got it. Why are you crying?
Because I lost the biggest brook trout of the video on video. I'm so sad. No!
Ah, dang it. Got sucked up. And there it goes. Bye. Oh well. Bye. Have a good time.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, so I got my trout, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my knife and go behind this fin and make a clean cut right there. And I'll do it right here. Right like this. And then you'll have both of the fins on this. Go ahead and chuck that. And you're gonna take your knife and go in through the butthole all the way up to the top. Right like that. And then you're gonna take all the guts and stuff and rip them out and throw them out. And then one thing that I like to do is I like to take my knife and cut along his backbone. Right where all this red stuff is, it's blood. I like to cut along that and then take your fingernail and scrape it all out. And you can wash it out at the same time when you're doing this. It will make it easier. Okay, that's my fish clean. You can see most of the blood is all gone. And the fish is ready to go in the frying pan. So let's go do it. Okay, I'm back at home. And I have my pan heating up. And I'm gonna add the butter now. I'm using about a ½ inch to an inch of butter.
Yes!
Gonna put it right in there. Let it get everywhere. And I'm gonna just stir this around all over, coat everything so the fish doesn't stick. Okay, my butter's all melted. I just rinsed off my fish. Let's go ahead and put them in. And then we'll season them. There's one of them in. Here's the other. Look at those. That looks good. Go ahead and get the butter all over them nicely. I got my seasoning right here. Code 3 spices, and this is the Sea Dog rub. It's like Cajun. It's really good. Let's go ahead and give it a generous coating. It's pretty nice and seasoned. I got the seasoning on the outside and in the inside, and I'm gonna let these cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom part gets a little flaky. Then I'm gonna flip them over, season that side, and then let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it gets really nice and flaky. And that's how you know it's done, when it flakes and it comes right off those bones. And you can see how fresh these are because the tails are curling right up. Okay, it's been 2 to 3 minutes. Gonna flip them. The skin's coming off too, which is a good sign. I'm gonna flip this guy over too. They're looking good. Look at that. Now let's go ahead and get some seasoning on them. That sounds about good. And I'll let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or whenever they start getting really nice and flaky. Okay, they're just about done. Let's pull them off and give them a taste test. And you can tell it's done because it's just flaking right off the bone. Right there. Here, let me flip things. Let's go ahead and plate them. So this is a Big Daddy right here. So let's throw him right on the plate. This is a smaller daddy right here. Go ahead and throw it on the plate. Look at those. Okay, I've let them cool down just a little bit. Let's get a taste test on Big Daddy right here. Look at it coming right off the bones. Man, it's so hot. Let's try it out. Look at that. There's a couple bones. I'll take care of those though.
Wow. That natural trout flavor is so amazing. So perfect. Crispy. Comes right off the bones. It's fresh. I don't know what not to like about it. Well, if you like this video, please leave a like on it and maybe even subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.